Yamaha XSR125 Legacy Overview. The Yamaha XSR125 Legacy is the latest entrant in Yamaha's sport heritage lineup, blending retro-inspired styling with the performance and efficiency expected from a modern 125 cubic centimeters motorcycle. It stands out as a fashionable, lightweight commuter with the spirit of Yamaha's faster sons movement, embodying a love for freedom, individuality, and classic design. With a full-power 125 cubic centimeters, 11 kilowatts engine, the XSR125 offers an exhilarating ride for daily commuting, weekend rides, or for those just entering the world of motorcycling. Designed to capture attention with its timeless aesthetic and vibrant colors, like the featured Legend Silver, this bike combines nostalgia with cutting-edge features such as LED lighting, a full LCD instrument panel, and premium finishing across the chassis. Inspired by Yamaha's larger capacity heritage bikes, the XSR125 Legacy features a lightweight delta box frame for agile handling and comfort, while the USD front forks provide smooth suspension and confident control on urban roads. POS 4.00S. Engine performance and technical excellence. Powering the XSR125 Legacy is a liquid-cooled, 124 cubic centimeters, SOHC single-cylinder 4-stroke engine, an efficient and high-performance unit that delivers a class-topping 11.0 kilowatts at 10,000 RPM and 11.5 Newton-meters of torque at 8,000 RPM. Shared with Yamaha's MT125 Hyper Naked and R125 Super Sport models, this engine is tuned to provide fast acceleration and engaging performance, whether you're zipping through city streets or exploring backroads. The electronic fuel injection system ensures smooth throttle response and excellent fuel efficiency, consuming just 2.1 liters per 100 kilometers and emitting a low 47 g of CO2 per kilometer. Coupled with a 6-speed transmission and chain final drive, the bike delivers a responsive and exhilarating riding experience, while staying compliant with the A1 license category restrictions. Its compact size, lightweight construction, and accessible power make it a great option for beginners and experienced riders alike who are looking for both performance and style in a 125 cubic centimeters package. POS 4.00S. Design and styling, retro meets modern tech. The XSR125 Legacy is a visual tribute to Yamaha's legendary past, drawing heavily from the styling cues of its 1970s racing machines while incorporating modern components. The most striking elements include gold-rimmed spoked wheels that pay homage to classic Yamaha race bikes and unique graphics influenced by the brand's sport heritage family. Available in dedicated finishes like Legend Silver and Historic Black, the paint and panel designs give the bike a distinct vintage character. Other stylish elements include a 2-piece aluminum muffler cover with a sporty upswept design, and finely detailed painted mudguards and engine cases. Despite its nostalgic vibe, the XSR125 packs modern LED lighting at the front and rear, housed in classic round shells, and a full LCD digital dash that provides all essential ride information in a sleek, easy-to-read format. The naked frame layout showcases the bike's quality craftsmanship and precision, highlighting everything from the exposed delta box frame to the aluminum accents that give it a high-end finish. POS 4.00S. Ride quality, chassis, and handling. Built on Yamaha's legendary delta box frame, originally developed for its Grand Prix racing machines, the XSR125 Legacy delivers superb stability, precise cornering, and impressive road feel. This frame, known for being both strong and lightweight, contributes to the bike's nimble handling, making it ideal for city streets and twisty country roads. Complementing the chassis is a 37mm upside-down, USD, front fork setup that ensures excellent suspension performance and bump absorption. These black finished forks not only match the rest of the bike's frame and engine aesthetically but also add to the bike's premium appeal. The rear suspension provides balanced damping for a smooth ride over various road surfaces. For additional grip and control, the XSR125 comes equipped with Metzeler Carrosport tires, featuring block pattern tread for enhanced traction and a sporty ride feel. Whether you're a new rider seeking confidence or a seasoned biker appreciating agility, the ride quality of the XSR125 Legacy strikes a perfect balance between comfort and performance. POS 4.00S. Key features and specifications. Yamaha has loaded the XSR125 Legacy with premium features typically found on higher capacity bikes. Notable highlights include LED lighting, headlight and tail light, a full LCD instrument display, aluminium bodywork details, a sport-inspired two-piece muffler, and dedicated heritage graphics. The engine's dimensions come in at 52.0 by 58.6 mm bore and stroke, with a compression ratio of 11.2 to 1, giving it a strong mid-range punch. The wet sump lubrication system, electric starter, and TCI ignition further enhance its reliability and ease of use. The 6-speed constant mesh transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, while the fuel system, electronic fuel injection, delivers consistent power and outstanding efficiency. It's not just a bike for commuting, it's a statement piece, a lightweight machine packed with personality and functionality. Riders can feel the legacy of Yamaha's race-winning past, now redefined in a form that's accessible, fuel-efficient, and full of flair. POS 4.00S. Price and on-the-road costs. The Yamaha XSR125 Legacy is priced at £5,351 on the road. This comprehensive price includes all essential dealership and registration-related expenses, on-the-road preparation, delivery to the dealer, number plates, pre-delivery inspection, fuel, the government's first registration fee, vehicle excise duty, and VAT at 20%. This makes the XSR125 Legacy an excellent value for those looking to enter the premium 125 cubic centimeters category with a bike that offers more than just utility. It delivers style, heritage, and fun in equal measure. For riders seeking individuality, quality engineering, and a bike built with both form and function in mind, the XSR125 Legacy makes a compelling case. POS 4.00S.